So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem of your sound quality and how you can improve your sound quality on your PC. So how to do this? Let's get started. First what you have to do is open start menu and then click on settings. Once you do this, go over to system and then click on sound. Scroll down a bit and make sure your default speakers are selected. After that, scroll down a bit and then make sure mono audio is turned on. Then scroll down again and then you'll see more sound settings. Just open this and then make sure your speakers are set to default. If not, just click on your speakers and then click on set default. Then just double click on your speakers and then click on levels and make sure it is set to 100. Then go over to spatial sound and then select Windows Sonic for headphones. If you are using speakers, so make sure it is turned off. Then just click apply, OK, and restart your device, and then hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.